Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable print screen button to open screen sniping on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable print screen button, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Click on Easy of Access. In left pane, scroll down, click on Keyboard, scroll down again. Here you will find Print Screen shortcuts. Use the Print Screen button to open screen sniping. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. And here you will find a message. Based on other app settings, you might need to restart your PC to see these changes. Now close settings, click on restart and then click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope your print screen button is enabled to open screen sniping in Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.